Welcome to Touring Globe. Find and explore the hidden gems in this city that most travelers totally miss. Why you should visit these underrated cities. When most people plan a trip, they look at the same destinations: Paris, New York, Dubai, Tokyo. While these places are undeniably amazing, the travel spotlight often leaves hundreds of equally fascinating cities in the shadows. These underrated cities are brimming with culture, history, natural beauty, and charm, but without the overwhelming tourist crowds or hefty price tags. Here's why you should give them a spot on your travel list. 1. Authentic local culture. In tourist-heavy cities, the culture you experience is often tailored to meet visitor expectations, menus in English, souvenir shops on every corner, and performances designed for the camera rather than tradition. In underrated cities, what you see is what locals truly live. You can walk into a neighborhood bakery and see regular customers chatting with the owner, attend a street market where farmers sell fresh produce, or watch craftsmen still practicing centuries-old skills. Here, the culture feels alive, genuine, and unpolished in the best way. 2. More affordable travel. Major destinations come with major costs. Hotels in top tourist spots can cost 3 to 5 times more than similar quality accommodations in lesser-known cities. The same applies to restaurants, transportation, and attractions. In underrated destinations, you can dine like royalty, book charming boutique stays, and enjoy tours or experiences for a fraction of the price, leaving you more budget to extend your trip or try more activities. 3. Fewer crowds, more space. Imagine visiting a historic church and being able to hear the echo of your footsteps instead of the chatter of 100 tourists. Or standing on a scenic viewpoint with nothing but the wind and birds around you. Underrated cities offer that rare luxury, space. You can take photos without people blocking the view, explore museums at your own pace, and never feel rushed to move along for the next person in line. 4. Rich but overlooked history. Many smaller cities have histories just as compelling as the famous capitals, yet they remain largely untold to the world. You might discover medieval fortresses, ancient ruins, or battlefields that shaped entire regions. The advantage: you can explore them without barriers, tour guides hurrying you along, or inflated entry fees. In these cities, history feels like a secret you've been let in on. 5. Unique culinary experiences. Food in major tourist hubs often adapts to global tastes. In underrated cities, restaurants and street vendors serve dishes exactly as they have for generations, sometimes with recipes passed down for centuries. You might try a stew cooked in clay pots over open flames, a pastry stuffed with local herbs found only in that region, or a drink brewed by small family distilleries. And because there's no tourist premium, your wallet stays happy while your taste buds go on an adventure. 6. Warmer local interactions. In highly visited places, locals often see so many tourists that conversations become purely transactional. But in underrated destinations, residents tend to be more curious and welcoming, sometimes going out of their way to show you around, invite you into their homes, or share local legends. The friendships you make here can feel deeper because the interactions are genuine, not just part of a tourist routine. 7. Unusual and unexpected attractions. One of the biggest joys of visiting an underrated city is stumbling across something you weren't expecting. Maybe it's a centuries-old library tucked away in a quiet street, a colorful mural painted on the side of a local school, or a lively festival you didn't even know was happening. These surprises turn your trip into an adventure where every day brings something new. 8. A slower, more relaxed pace. Popular destinations often push you into checklist travel, where you rush from one famous attraction to the next. In underrated cities, you can slow down, sit at a cafe for hours, wander down alleys without worrying about missing something, and truly absorb the rhythm of daily life. This slower pace often makes for a more memorable and restorative trip. 9. Better for sustainable tourism. Over-tourism can damage environments, inflate housing prices for locals, and strain city resources. Choosing underrated cities spreads tourism's benefits to places that need it and appreciate it. You help local businesses grow, encourage the preservation of cultural heritage, and avoid contributing to overcrowding in already overburdened destinations. 10. Safer and more comfortable environments. While every place requires common-sense safety, underrated cities often have lower crime rates than large, tourist-heavy capitals. With fewer crowds, you're also less likely to encounter pickpockets or scams that target travelers. You can explore with greater peace of mind. 11. Nature and scenery without the competition. Some underrated cities are surrounded by jaw-dropping landscapes, mountains, lakes, beaches, without the tourist competition you'd find in famous natural hotspots. You can hike trails without being stuck in a line of walkers, swim in crystal clear water without jostling for space, and take in sunsets without phones blocking your view. 12. Festivals and traditions untouched by commercialization. In big tourist cities, festivals can become heavily commercialized, more about making money than celebrating heritage. In underrated cities, you can witness traditions in their purest form, whether it's a harvest celebration, a regional music performance, or a religious procession that has remained unchanged for generations. 13. Greater room for exploration and discovery. Underrated cities give you the joy of being an explorer rather than a tourist. Without endless guidebooks telling you exactly what to see, you have the freedom to follow your curiosity. You might end up in a hidden park, a family-owned gallery, or a quiet riverside spot where you're the only outsider in sight. 14. Stories only you can tell. Everyone has seen pictures of the Eiffel Tower or Times Square. But when you return from an underrated city, your friends and family will be intrigued by your photos and stories, because they're fresh, unique, and personal. You become not just a traveler, but a storyteller. 15. The satisfaction of discovering something special. There's a certain thrill in knowing you've visited a place before it becomes the next big thing. It feels like holding a secret you want to share with just a select few, until, of course, the rest of the world catches on. If you want, I can now give you a long list of specific underrated cities from each continent with detailed reasons why each is worth visiting, so it reads like a ready-made travel bucket list. That would make this piece even more powerful. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.